Let's build this thing. Alright, hey guys, welcome back to Tyler's Tech World. Today, as you can see, got a lot of boxes on the table. I'm going to be revamping my whole gaming setup, and that includes obviously keyboard, mouse, monitor, tower, cable management stuff, everything. So without further ado, let's get right into the unboxings. Alright, so first off, the unexciting stuff. Power strip, network switch. This stuff is not very exciting. So let's now get into the first box. I've not opened these at all, but I do know everything is here. I'm just using a basic kitchen knife to do this. Now this is one of two boxes from Newegg. And open we go. What's in here? Packing stuff. Okay, here's my Samsung 970 EVO for my boot drive. And of course you have these Newegg deals that nobody ever uses. And here are what I can suspect are my two 2 terabyte hard drives I'm going to be putting into my computer that I'm going to be putting into a RAID for redundancy. What else is in here? Oh yeah, here's my CPU cooler, my Cryorig H7. I'm going to be using the stock thermal paste that comes with this because I hear it's actually pretty good. If not, then Cryorig's been lying to me. But I have full faith in Cryorig that they are not lying to me. And there's one more thing in this box. This is the best piece of this. The NVIDIA GeForce GTX, or RTX, excuse me, 2080. This is the just normal EVGA XC version. I did not opt for the 2.5 or 7.5 slot one because I have no need to. First box done. Okay, let's move on to this one. See what's in here. I think this box might be from Corsair. Not quite sure. It's one of the few boxes that arrived almost completely like unmarked. Yep, I was right. And the peripherals that I'm going to be using are the Corsair Saber RGB gaming mouse, which looks awesome. And of course, this is a very much RGB themed. Oh, did I even show it to you guys? Here you go. And my keyboard is the Corsair K7 Deluxe RGB with the Cherry MX blue switches. Now I know this stuff more than likely isn't the newest peripherals, but I'm going to enjoy it because it has the cherry blue switches, and those are my favorite. Packing slip. Oh, they're shipped from Ontario. Nice. Okay. Next. This box is very light. This is the second box from Newegg. I have a suspicion of what's in here. I think it might be my CPU. Not exactly sure. And like I said, I did not open any of these prior to filming. These are all first looks. More Newegg deals no one ever uses. Yeah, I was right. Here's the heart of the build, the Intel Core i7 8700K. I'm not going for extreme overclocking, so I shouldn't have to delit it. Just going maybe for an all-core overclocking, maybe 4.7, 4.8, which I don't know. Maybe hopefully the H7 can handle that. I don't want to go water cooling because I don't trust water, even though it's pretty reliable. I personally don't trust it that much yet. even if it's just an AIO. Okay, here is another box from Amazon. Oh, nice. My Velcro ties for cable management. And what else? Oh, nice. My cable boxes that I'm going to be using to cable manage my setup, and I have 2 of them because I have my main setup and then I have my secondary setup for because if you guys have been longtime followers of my channel, you know that I have a very extensive computer collection, and I have my second machine or second setup hooked up off to the side. That's why I have 2 of these here for. Okay, what am I'm getting kind of full over here. Crap, what am I gonna do now? Move this back here. I'll just fill up this shelf back here. I mean, it's here, so why not? Yeah, it's just a USB drive. Okay. That looks nice. Yoink. Yoink. Okay. Move that on the floor. That could be really bad if that fell. Okay, another box from Amazon, and this one doesn't look like it was packaged up right. If the box is a little beat up, that's just because I took off my address and stuff. You guys do not need to know where I live. That is stuff you guys do not need to know. Packing. Cool, here's my motherboard. This is the MSI Z370M Gaming Pro AC motherboard. More on the basic-ish side of motherboards, but it'll do perfectly fine for me with a light overclock. Oh, they shipped them like this. Here's my cable mod custom cables for the build. I have the main 24 pin, a 6-pin and 8-pin, and another 8-pin. 2 8-pins, one for CPU, one for graphics, and the other 6-pin for the graphics, excuse me. Then here's my insanely overkill mouse pad, the Corsair MM800 RGB Polaris. Of course, it has RGB lighting in my mouse pad of all things. But hey, this is a overkill build. And here are my Corsair RGB LED lighting Pro expansion kit, which is awesome. Gotta love your RGB. And here is my vertical stand for my Xbox. I am gonna be keeping my Xbox on my desk for like playing movies and stuff. Here's a vertical stand. I'm not gonna have room on my desk anymore for it to stay normal. And here is the most overkill part: 32 gigabytes of Corsair Vengeance Pro RGB RAM. It's a 4x8 gig kit at 3000 megahertz. Only reason why I have 32 gigs is because I want to end up filling up all the slots in the motherboard. It looks a lot cleaner like that. Okay, what's next? Nice. Okay, so here's my graphics card support bracket to prevent GPU sag. Nobody likes GPU sag, so that will be preventing that. That's probably a bit overkill, but hey, whatever. Then here are my cable sleeves for cable management. Nice. More stuff. 1, 2. Take those out of the sleeves. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I have 4 Corsair LL140 RGB fans for my computer because airflow requires fans, and fans require, I don't know where I was going with that, but fans. And here are my simple cord wired tray organizers. There are 2 16-inch cable organizers in here. These will be going under my desk for cable management, which is, of course, very important because cable management. Okay, this one will go. Move you. And this cable mod knife. And here are my speakers. Oh, that's heavier than it looks. These are the Creative GigaWorks T40 Series 2 speakers. These are awesome speakers from what I can gather online. So these will deliver extreme audio, and I cannot wait to test them out, because believe me, I will be testing these out a lot. Corner of boxes. Okay, last box. Let's get some of this stuff down. All this stuff should stay. Okay. Now what I'm guessing is in here, since we haven't unboxed it yet, is my case and power supply. Because it's in a very large box. Oh, so it's gonna rip like that? That was easy. Knife. Knife. Open. 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 Yep, here it is. Here's my power supply. This is the, that's heavy. That's good though. Here's the Seasonic Focus Plus Gold 850 watt fully modular power supply. Of course, the 850 means 850 watts, and it is 80 plus gold certified, fully modular, all the good stuff. And it did get the Johnny Guru seal of approval, which I will only get power supplies if they pass that seal of approval, because that means it's obviously good. Okay, and the last part. That's not going to work. 9. Thank you, cameraman. And of course, as you guys can tell, the case I will be building in is the awesome Corsair Crystal 280X. This is the RGB version. At least I hope that they included, or they shipped me that one. And it's just an awesome case. It's micro HDX, of course. Has 3 tempered glass panels, one on the front, top, and the side. Comes with 2 LL140 fans, or I mean LL120 fans, excuse me. And it has a Lighting Node Pro in the back and a 6-channel fan hub in the back to connect all my fans to. Okay, and I'm not going to unbox. Well, screw it. I am going to unbox this. That's a lot of tape, Corsair. It's a good thing, though. I basically went with this case because it looks awesome, for one, and for two, it just looks awesome. Thank you. Okay, yes, Crystal 280X. Warranty, yeah. Warranty crap. Warranty crap. Okay, a lot of padding. It's a good thing. Ah, yes. You know what will be helpful in unboxing a case? Moving some stuff out of the way. And then, of course, thank you, cameraman. Is this. Stay, thank you. Box. Thank you, cameraman, again. Oh, this case looks even awesomer in person. I don't care about the foam. Maybe there was a simpler way of doing this. Go. Didn't hit. I missed the tripod. That's always awesome. Mr. Cameraman, do you mind getting that? Thank you, Mr. Cameraman. And be very gentle. You want to flip it. Holy crap, this is awesome. There's some stuff in the bottom. It's like paint. Don't tell me I got a damaged unit. No, looks beautiful. Okay, and while you guys are here, let's do the peel. That was not the best one. Side panel. I should probably show you guys this. You guys love to see peels. Not the best peel, but it's a peel. And now for the front panel. That is awesome. Okay, and now that it is all unboxed except for my monitor, which you guys don't really want to see an unboxing of the monitor. All it is a 27-inch 4K monitor from Asus. It is the Designo MX27U if you guys want to look it up. So yeah, with everything out of the way and unboxed, I believe it's time for a time-lapse build. All right, so as you can see, the build is complete. Took me a lot longer than before. Started this like around 3, took me to like 6:30 because of some minor glitches, but not going to talk about those now. We're about to do the first boot ever of this system. Power cord, plugged in, power supply on. It works. Holy crap. Okay, kill the lights. Can't believe that I made this. And it's in the default Rambo mode right now, but that is easily going to be fixed with some software. I'm not too worried about that. All right, lights on, please. Thank you, Mr. Cameraman / assistant. So as you can see, this video was a complete success. It works. I don't know if it posts, but it works. So I don't really know what to say. I'm speechless. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.